In today's video, I'll show you how money is made in a factory. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get started. Money minting all starts in the process called blanking. They use blanks, which are flat metal discs, in the process of blanking. To make blanks, the mint purchases about 1,500 foot-long coils of metal that are cut to the correct specifications for each denomination. The coil is placed into a blanking press after passing through a machine that straightens the metal. The blanking press punches out the blank like a cookie cutter. They have a slightly different diameter than a finished coin, but the same thickness. For the following stage of the operation, the blanks are carried to the annealing furnace. The following process is called annealing. Blanks are annealed to prepare them for striking. The physical qualities of the metal are changed during annealing, making it softer and allowing it to be molded without breaking. The pattern will be better preserved on the annealing blanks during striking. The annealing furnace heats the blanks to a high temperature in an oxygen-free environment. A lack of oxygen prevents tarnishing. To swiftly lower the temperature, they are placed in a quench tank filled with slippery water. The slick water is made out of the water, citric acid powder, and lubricants that prevent the blanks from sticking together. The blanks are lifted out of the quench tank and drained by a machine. The third step is washing and drying. The blanks are then washed to bring back their natural color. The clean blanks are steam dried before moving them to the upsetting mill. The following step will be the step of upsetting. Upsetting means to upset the edge of a coin to create a raised rim. The rim is subtle, but it gives the coin the edge we are so familiar with. The fifth process is called striking. The mint has a variety of presses, but they all operate in the same way. Circular coin presses use 35 to 100 metric tons of pressure to strike the coins, depending on the denomination. Other presses can exert up to 540 tons of force, equivalent to the pressure used to produce America's beautiful 5-ounce silver coins. 750 coins are struck per minute by a circulating coin press. Depending on the finish, coins are struck differently. Coins are struck only once, whether circulated, uncirculated, or bullion. Proof coins, on the other hand, are struck at least twice. After striking, the coins will go through inspection. This is, without a doubt, one of the most crucial aspects of the process. All new coins will be spot checked for faults by the inspection operators. After the press strikes the coin, they fall into a bin or a tray. An inspector looks for flaws in the samples. They move on to packaging if they pass inspection. If circulating coins fail to meet specific criteria, the batch is sent to a waffler. The final process before coins will be sent to the Federal Reserve banks is the bagging and packaging. Before being deposited into bulk storage bags, the coins will pass through a counting machine. All of the bags are weighed and then stored until delivered to Federal Reserve banks across the country for distribution. For public sale, robots and automated machinery wrap historical coins into blister packs, lenses, and packaging. Some coins are packed by hand. And there we have it. Coin-making technology and methods evolve over time to meet changing demands. In this age of technical innovation, we can witness how fast minted money is produced. Money minting is a one-of-a-kind technique that provides insight into the history and science of historical minting technologies. I hope you enjoyed our money-making process journey. If you'd want to see more of this type of video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.